Hello and welcome to another vlog. So early hours of this morning, Alton Towers revealed that Secret Weapon 8 is going to be called Wicker Man, as we've all known for quite a while. But yeah, the artwork of it looks really good. It's what I kind of expected after Scarefest and the Welcoming and what that was sort of portraying it was going to be. They're really highlighting on the fact that it's going to be very theatrical, and it's not just that it's a roller coaster, it's it's everything that goes with it. It's the story and the experience of it as well, so it should be really good. I'm guessing it's kind of going to be a bit like 13 in a way. Like obviously the Smiler's all about your loops and the fact that it's just an insane roller coaster, whereas like 13 there's nothing overly special about it. It's just the way it's put together, the theming and that sort of thing. It sort of makes it what it is. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and as soon as the park's open in March, I'm going to be there. So if I don't get chose to go before, hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm sure a lot of people have applied for that though, so I don't think that's the likelihood of getting that's not very high. But yeah, really looking forward to it, and yeah, can't wait for it. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.